Hey there. I wanted to pop in and tell you about a profound tool that I use that is really, really life-changing. You see, the world is made of energy, and when you upgrade your energy and you bring your body to a higher level energetically, life just gets more juicy, more delicious, and you love your life more. But this practice is gratitude. And you might be, just hold off, you might be saying, gratitude? Yeah, that's so passe. That's old school. Well, I brought the practice back into my life and I am blown away at the results. So this is a highly effective, science-based way to really take your gratitude practice to a whole new level. And it gives you more love, more connection, and it's simple and easy. So the gratitude practice that I've been doing is from this book. It's called The Magic. It's written by Rhonda Byrne. Yeah, I know. For those of you that love The Secret, or maybe some of you think it's a bunch of garbage, I really invite you to try this because, like I said, it's changed my life. Doing this with my breath work and everything else in my life, it is profound. So all you do, I just got a bunch of these little folders, this small. You can carry them in your pocket, your purse, and I got a bunch of these. I put them on the side of the bed. And every morning I wake up with my pen, I write down my 10 top gratitudes for the day. And they can change, they can be the same. And then I write, this is the big one, why I'm grateful for that particular thing. And there's more. I write down how that gratitude makes me feel. Then once I've got all my gratitudes written down, I go back to my gratitudes. I breathe the feelings of being grateful for that gratitude into my body, and I write, thank you, thank you, thank you. It is amazing. With each one, I get my gratitude going for the morning. It gets deeper and deeper. And let me tell you some of the things that I've gotten as a result of practicing this gratitude. Someone gave me a facial. I've been getting a lot of things for free. Another friend, she moved. She couldn't use her yoga classes. So she got 200 yoga classes. She gave them to me. Pretty amazing. She's a great friend, but I think that's a fabulous gift, don't you? But really wonderful things have come into my life. The yoga practices that I've been teaching lately are so much deeper. The energy medicine yoga and the trauma-informed yoga. I'm doing things that are feeding my soul, feeding my heart. And I really think so much of it as a result of the gratitude practice. So I invite you to try it on for yourself. And please comment in the comments below. Let me know how it works for you and how it can change your life. And if you've got a gratitude practice already, let me know how your gratitude practice plays out for you. And if you like this and you want more tools to become more and more marvelous in midlife, hey, subscribe to my channel. I'm Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And I'm here to help you make your life, your midlife, more and more marvelous.